Hey everyone, so by now you probably know about Midjourney, and I don't know if you know about this dash dash tile feature here, but whenever you say a prompt with this, you have a tileable picture. And what does this mean? It means that if I copy this image here and paste it here in this website, and I'm going to put it in the description down below, you can check if it's tileable, and you can even change the width here. And it's very nice, like for backgrounds in gaming, it's very nice to have something like this. I'll also put a video here from Taro Dev on how you can use it and have like a very slow movement. You can check it out later. But for now, the big idea is this. I'm giving you for free on this link here. Again, it's going to be in the description. Seamless backgrounds for every 10 views in this video. And of course, since I don't want to be working on this forever until the end of time, it has a cap. It's going to at most at 10,000 views. But whenever you get here, you're going to get access now to 50 images. I already gave me a head start on this with 50 images, so it's going to endure for 500 views. And it's free, like you can give me, I suggested the price of $2, but again, if you don't live in a country where that's pennies, if you live in countries where that's expensive, it's okay, you can get it for free. And here are some examples. If I scroll up and down here, you have this example. I find this a very beautiful one. This one I'm using a very cartoon cute game that I'm using right now. This one is also pretty clear, and you have some thematic ones like this one with snow. This is snow as well. A bunch of different ones in snow. I have this one Kirby inspired. It got a little bit weird, but again, you can just use Photoshop or something to just get rid of this if you find this weird. You can tweak those, because this is stylable. As long as you don't change the borders, everything should be fine. So let me also show you some other examples. Like this one, for example, where we opened the video with. This one's more abstract. So if you're building like a casual game, more abstract one, you can have this. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoy. I hope you get this video to as many people as possible, because I'll be updating this video frequently. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You know what to do. You want to subscribe, you subscribe. I do a bunch of different videos from game development to this type of stuff. And yeah, I hope you have fun, because I'm having fun. So thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.